welcome to my channel. If you're just watching my videos for the first time, my name is Hilda. You are welcome. So in my kitchen today, I am going to be showing you my go-to method for cooking salmon. Recently, I have incorporated salmon into my diet and it's been good. So I want to show you how I make it. Stay tuned. The next thing I will do is to pat it dry because I want the seasoning to go in. Next up, I will grab a bowl and I will mix all my ingredients here. If you want, you can apply your ingredient directly on the salmon, but I want to mix everything here. I'm also going to add the juice from one lime. Feel free to use lemon. It feels like it has quite the amount of juice in it, so I'm going to use one of this. 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to add the lemon juice. Let's see what I have. So I have 1 tablespoon. So basically it is 1.5 tablespoon. And I'm going to mix all this together. Just like that. So I mix that properly. And then I start to coat my salmon with this paste. I don't like to use my hands when I'm trying to apply the marinade because the sulfur content in the ingredients just kind of makes it stick. So I just use a glove. If you use your hands to do this, and maybe you notice the smell of the marinade doesn't want to come off your hands, one tip that I swear by is using a toothpaste to wash your hands. I promise you it will come off instantly. That's my tip. So I would apply this all over. Cook this generously. I would leave it to marinate for at least 15 minutes. I'm just going to transfer it to this bowl and I will leave it to sit. I just turned my air fryer on and I will be preheating for 3 minutes before I introduce the fish. My fish has been in the fridge for about 30 minutes, so I just brought it out and I'm about to put it in the air fryer. 375 degrees. I don't want to overcrowd this. I'm going to do this for about 6 minutes because I want it to fry on both sides. I'm going to do 6 minutes. Yeah, 6 minutes on each side. If you're using the side that has skin, you want to place it skin side down. The skin side down. This is how it looks right now. Love it. Our salmon is ready. If you have watched up to this point, let's taste. It looks so good already. This is good. Oh my God. This is so good. Look at that. It's done. I can't even get over it. Like, what? Okay, anyway, we have come to the end of this video. I was able to show you my way of enjoying my salmon. It is high protein and it is perfect for that additional protein into your diet. I'm not a chef. Little disclaimer, I am not a chef, at least not yet. But I do know how to make a good meal to my tasting. If you want to enjoy this dish, feel free to add any sides of your choice. You can add rice with some veggies on the side. Whatever you want, you can enjoy the salmon with it. I am Nigerian, so I have made this dish very Nigerian friendly. So feel free to try this recipe out. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, leave your comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next video.